Hello guys, so today I'm unboxing a parcel that I have received from Yopgirl. So they have sent me various products and I'll show you all of them. Oh wow, there are many things. It's foundation, eyelashes, lipsticks, blusher palette, compact and eyeshadow. So this is the foundation and this is HD foundation and I found it really nice. Another is eyeshadow palette. This was unfortunately broken, but later I complained regarding it and I received a new palette. Now here are some eyelashes and these enhances the makeup even more. These are really nice and I love them. So the next product is compact powder, and another one is blusher is really amazing from Yopgirl, and this is another lipstick that I received, and this is the broken eye palette. So you can see it is really a disappointment for me. And now I'll show you the amazing matte blush by Yopgirl. The palette, the shape of the palette is really very amazing. I'm opening up. See, it's really nice. It's look like a luxury blusher, and I'm opening it up. Wow, see the color of blusher, and they have also given a small mirror inside. So now let's talk about foundation. Let me open it up for you. Yes, and this is the foundation. Guys, I have used it several times and my base comes out really flawless and I love this foundation. So now let me show you the lipstick. It's hard to bring this out, so let me focus on the shade. So yeah, this is the shade of the lipstick. You can see the number and I will show you the color by opening it up. The texture is really nice, and here's the color. Nice. So now I'm closing it, and guys, I keep ordering a lots of stuff from internet, but this is not for promotion purpose. I found out this product to be really nice, and here's the compact powder. The palette is again really nice, looks like a luxury palette. Let me open it up. So yeah, you can see they have also provided a sponge along, and I'm really happy. Thank you.